Hello everybody, Namaste and Salam Alaikum. Hi, this is Maria Khan, your master teacher of biology here at Vedantu. Welcome to my session guys, and we are currently running a sprint series especially for CBSE class 10 students. Yes guys, we are actually brushing up the concepts of the chapter life processes, and we have already covered up nutrition, respiration and transportation, and in today's session we are going to cover up the final topic, that is excretion. So if you're excited, hit on the like button, share this video with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to post me a you in the chat box. Chalo guys, so let's get started. So as I mentioned you that we have already covered the initial three topics, and today we are going to focus on excretion, right? So we are going to cover up excretion in human beings as well as in plants. But yes, it is not just biology that we are covering in this sprint series. As you can see, this is my schedule, but yes, we also have schedule for other subjects as well. Okay, so here we have Shilpi ma'am who will be taking care of your chemistry. We have Shweta ma'am who will be conducting several sessions for covering your concepts related to English, and then Gopal sir will complete topics related to mathematics, and finally Chintu sir will be dealing with social sciences. Okay, I know guys, this Sprint 2021, you are absolutely loving it. If you are actually finding the sessions to be useful, like, share, subscribe. That is all I can say. So, chalo you army, let's get started on a positive note. So, what is my today's quote? So, guys, my today's quote is the road to success is always under construction. Means what? Whenever we say कि I have to achieve this or I have to succeed, the process is continuous. It is never ending. You always need to keep marching ahead, and that is how you succeed. Success is not a destination, it is your objective, which always moves in the higher direction. Okay, so yes guys, you have to keep on marching, you have to keep on working hard, and see, with each passing day you will definitely succeed. Okay, chalo. So on this note, let's begin with our sprint session. And the primary objective of conducting the sprint series is that you should utilize very less time than of that which is actually allotted to you in the examination. So for solving every question, we have probably 1.5 minutes in the examination. And in sprint series, we are aiming to solve the same question in 45 seconds. Okay. So here we are, and the first question is flashing on our screens. Dash is the cup-shaped structure inside kidney that helps in the filtration of blood. So guys, remember the rap which I made you learn, upper cup shaped Bowman's capsule, upper cup shaped Bowman's capsule, right? So upper cup shaped has to be Bowman's capsule. Okay, perfect, awesome. Then here is the diagram. Let me minimize myself a bit. Yeah. So correctly label the organ which temporarily stores the urine before it is released or expelled out of the body. Okay. So the organ which stores the urine. So guys, we all know that it's the urinary bladder which stores the urine temporarily, right? So it has to be C. Then correctly arrange the process involved in the formation of urine. So guys, I always say it's FRS. Female reproductive system, nahi. Filtration, reabsorption and secretion. So filtration, reabsorption and secretion. So glomerular filtration, reabsorption and tubular secretion. So FRS, these are the three steps, and hence A is the correct answer. Okay, so let us move on to the next one. Identify the part of human excretory system that carries urine to the muscular organ that stores the urine temporarily. See, read the question carefully. Now here they are asking that carries urine. Okay, it carries urine. Where does it carry? To the muscular organ that stores urine. So which is the storage organ? Guys, we know that the storage organ is C, right? But which is the organ that carries the urine. So guys, these are the tubes which carry urine, and we know that they are what we call it as ureters, right? So ureter is the correct answer. Then match the following. Guys, FRS, filtration takes place of course in the Bowman's capsule with the help of the glomerulus, right? I mean, glomerulus filters the blood, okay, and the glomerulus is there stuffed inside the Bowman's capsule, right? So ultrafiltration, Bowman's capsule and glomerulus, okay. So it is A3. Let me enlarge myself a bit. Yeah, transportation of urine. So of course the urine is carried by ureters. So B2, okay. So A3 B2, here it is. So let's see, storage of urine. So guys, storage of urine, it's the urinary bladder. So C4, okay. So yeah, here is A3 B2 C4, okay. So storage of urine C4, and finally formation of urine is formed in the kidneys. So D1. So of course it is A, guys, okay, A. Then if you're finding our sessions to be useful, guys, think about joining Vedantu for your last moment preparation. I'm pretty sure that you must be having several doubts, academic doubts related to physics, chem, bio, English, maths, SS. And what if I say that all your doubts can definitely be clarified if you enroll with us? Interesting, है ना? There are many topics where you don't have conceptual clarity, especially when it comes to physics or mathematics. There you need a holding hand, right? Vedantu is there for you. If you think ki, I have studied enough, but then I need some more questions to practice, some more assignments so that I can develop my confidence. Yes, of course, we are providing here at Vedantu. If you're lagging behind in your syllabus, no worries, we are here for you. Looking for a revision plan? We are here for you. You want a language which you are comfortable in as your medium of instruction, like if you're comfortable in Hindi, हम हिंदी में पढ़ाएंगे. If you're comfortable in English, we will be teaching you in English. So yeah, language preference, no worries, we are there for you. So basically guys, Vedantu's live and interactive courses, especially for your term 1 crash course, is the ideal course for you at the moment. Okay, why? Chalo, let us see the benefits of enrolling with Vedantu. So live online classes with high level quizzes for all the 6 subjects: physics, chem, bio, English, maths, SS, everything will be taken care of. And there will be 2 strategies: one, to complete all the chapters in a crash way; second, to help you revise for the same chapters. So guys, 11th hour preparation in a two-way mode, okay, in a two-way mode. So yeah guys, fast track your CBSE preparation with best teachers of the country with Vedantu. Then, as I mentioned, we will be covering your entire syllabus. So all the chapters will be covered up in a crash way, okay. Then no need to bother for notes, because every time we will be giving you some flow charts, some mind maps, and all these are very handy, some tables wherein you can just see and remember the structure and function and everything else. No need to draw and jot it down and write it down in your book. With a single click away, you can download the premium handwritten notes provided by the master teacher. Okay, get all your doubts solved instantly. So when I say this, we have a master teacher who teaches you the concepts, but at the same time we have class teachers who take care of your doubts. Okay, they ensure that your doubts are being resolved. So there is instant doubt resolution. Clear your concepts through topic wise assignments. So different topics: nutrition, respiration, excretion, transportation. So we have different assignments, so you practice them and ace in your examinations and stay ahead of your peers. Okay, and after practicing, of course, one thing is that you have to take several tests. Practice makes the man perfect, है ना, and my students as well. So guys, solve as many papers as you can, CBSE sample papers, the papers which are being conducted in your school. But mock tests are essential, and with Vedantu, mock test is a part and parcel of our CBSE preparation. So guys, fast track your exam preparation and ace like an expert. So guys, when you feel ki OMG, these are so many benefits that I can avail with Vedantu, I have one more. We have unlimited, endless, thousands of micro courses in which you can enroll, okay? And that is absolutely free of cost. For example, you have enrolled with Vedantu, and I'm your biology teacher, and I have covered life processes in crash. But suppose you have to study the same chapter in a detailed manner, like transportation, which is a crucial topic, respiration. The students find it more challenging. No worries, you can enroll in a chapter based micro course on life processes, wherein you can study the same chapter in a slow paced manner and get all the conceptual clarity. And this is applicable not just for biology, but for all the 6 subjects. And at the same time, you can enroll in some non academic micro courses as well, or even for your competitive exams as well. So, what are you waiting for? Enroll with us now. The link has been posted in the description box, which has also been put up in the comment section, pinned comment section, and ensure that my coupon code is applied, that is MAC Pro, because it's going to give you 10% additional discount. So chalo, let me take you to the site. So give me a moment, guys, and yep, here I go, like yeah. So if you see, this is one of my videos, like Life Processes Nutrition CBSE by Maria Khan. So let me minimize myself here. Chalo. So when I scroll it down here, let me scroll it down and let me go to the description box. So it is CBSE Term 1 Crash. So when I click here, it takes me to this page. So here grade 10 CBSE 2021 is already selected. If you are belonging to any other grade, you can change it. If you are belonging to any other board, you can change it. So here is basically our term 1 plan for CBSE class 10. So all the basic features, live interactive classes for 6 subjects, test series and assignments, of course personalized report cards along with it, assignments and notes, doubt solving during the class, everything is available with the Pro Lite subscription. Okay, and Pro Lite subscription with my coupon code is available to you at 2,700 only. Yes guys, the entire term 1 crash course. I'm not talking about duration 15 days or 30 days or whatever. Entire term 1 crash course is for 2,700. Wow, that's fab. Acha. Now your preparation pace has been increased, है ना? And then the number of doubts that you come across, they are also probably increased. So if you need a doubt solving app on your mobile phone, you can offer a Pro Classic subscription. Okay, now Pro Classic subscription will come with all the basic features along with the doubt solving app on your mobile phone, which is available from 8 o'clock in the morning till 11 p.m. Okay, and with my coupon code you can avail the same subscription at 3150. So if you like ask me my opinion, I'll recommend you to offer Pro Lite, that is more than enough, and buy complete course. So when you click on it, you get to see you have saved 300 with this coupon code. So guys, ensure that you click on the link, subscribe to Vedantu's crash courses and enroll with us ASAP for amazing term 1 results. Okay, chalo. So let's proceed further. Okay, and here we go. So I have already discussed this. Okay, and I'm like rushing further. Yeah. So now here the next one, assertion and reasoning. So blood is filtered by kidneys. True or false? So yes, of course, blood is filtered by kidney. Okay, let me use another column. Urine is expelled out of the body through ureters. Guys, ureters? No, it's urethra. So assertion is true, but reason is false. So it has to be C. Very easy, right? Then Human body produces highly toxic substances which if not eliminated may lead to death. Yes, of course, nitrogenous waste like urea, है ना? So yeah, assertion is of course true. Excretory system removes nitrogenous waste from the body. Yes, kidneys are the CEO, chief excretory organs, which have to eliminate nitrogenous waste, especially urea, from the body. So this is again true. But are they both correlated? No, right? So assertion is true, reason is true, but reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion. Okay, great. Chalo. So next is the case for us, case based. So plants use completely different strategies for excretion than those of animals. Of course, they lack excretory organs. It produces oxygen as a waste product generated during photosynthesis, which is later used by animal for survival. Yes, plants ka byproduct, that is oxygen of photosynthesis, which is used for respiration by human beings and other animals. They release CO2 as waste product during the process of respiration. The excess water in the plant is released by the process of transpiration. For other waste, either the plant stores them in dead tissues or in leaf, which later falls off. Of course, in the bark, in the leaf vacuoles, which they shed from time to time. Many plant waste are stored in cellular vacuoles, as I mentioned just now. Other waste products are stored as resins and gums, especially in the old xylem. Plants also excrete some waste substances into the soil around them by means of diffusion. Okay, so this is the case. Absolutely everything is there in your textbook. So here we go. Dash around the stem is dry and dead and stores plant waste. So guys, the answer is of course bark. On the bark there are lenticels which help in gaseous exchange. Okay, but of course the answer has to be bark. Easy? Very easy, very easy, rather the easiest of all. Then the roots of the tree release metabolic waste products with the help of what? So whether they are terrestrial plants or aquatic plants, when roots release the waste, it is always by means of diffusion. Okay, it is by means of diffusion. So yeah, the answer is diffusion. Then the next one, the plant called acacia produces dash, which is used as a binding agent in making laddu. So guys, this is something not related to our syllabus, but it can probably help you in your competitive examinations like NTSC. So an interesting question. So here it is. So is it resin, latex, rubber, gum? So acacia plant. So guys, have you heard about acacia gum acacia? No? Have you heard about गोंद? You must have, है ना, गोंद के लड्डू. तो guys, this particular gond, or what we call it as dink, okay, it is obtained from the plant, and of course it's a type of gum. Okay, so guys, here we complete all the questions and finally we arrive on a homework question. Enlist various methods by which plants perform excretion. So plants perform excretion with the help of roots, stem and leaves. Roots by means of diffusion, leaves by means of transpiration, by opening and closing of stomata, by helping in gaseous exchange, and by storing the waste in vacuoles and in their barks and even in the old xylem. So yeah, you can post your answer in the comment section and see you soon in the upcoming sessions. Till then, Allah Hafiz, Milo Wapis, and keep watching Vedantu. So guys, here I have completed all the 4 topics related to this chapter, and yeah, so current session was excretion, the previous was transportation. All the 4 sessions have been completed. So do ensure that you watch all my sessions, and if you want to enroll with Vedantu, remember my coupon code, that is MACPRO, because it's gonna give you further discount. And yeah, that's it for the day. Thank you so much for being a part of my session. Hit on the like button, share this video with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and reach out to me on my mail address or even in the comment section. Chalo, bye bye, take care, love you all.